Today we will study about the biotic factor. Are all of the living things in an ecosystem such as plant, animals and microbes which interact with and dependent on the abiotic factors. Means the living thing are the biotic factor in simple. The living thing can be categorized into three groups: producer, consumer and decomposer. So producers means the all herbaceous plant such as grass trees are the primary producer, and organism absorb the sun energy and converted energy to the biochemical process by the process of photosynthesis into the food for themselves, allowing them to grow larger and make flower and seeds. Consumers are which feed on the producer. We are also the consumer. The organism, mostly the animal, eat producers, and other animals they can also eat decomposer. तो जो कंज्यूमर है वो प्रोड्यूसर को खा के क्या करता है, उनकी जो लाइफ है वो स्पेंड करता है. तो जो शीप है या फिर ह्यूमन बींग है, वी ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन द हर्बिशियस प्लांट फॉर द फूड. ओके, ग्रेन्स, दीज आर द प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर्स. ओके, सो for example, the consumers are cattle, sheep, rabbit, eat plant and grasses, and carnivores eat animals. Consumer that only eat plant are often known as a primary consumer. तो जो कंज्यूमर सिर्फ प्लांट खाते हैं उनको प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर कहते हैं, और जो कंज्यूमर प्लांट और जो एनिमल खाते हैं उनको कार्निवोरस बोलते हैं, और जो एनिमल प्लांट एंड एनिमल दोनों खा सकता है उसको क्या बोलेंगे, ओमनिवोरस. थर्ड इज द डिकम्पोजर. These organisms break down the dead organic material of plant and animal origin into soil and return nutrient to the soil so they can be used to producer to create the food. Example of decomposer are the bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes and some invertebrate present in the soils are the decomposer. Okay. Now we'll see the intraspecific and interspecific association. First one is the competition. The animal have relations or association with the animal plants with plants also, and many animals depend upon plant in their environment, and some plant depend upon animals. Two organism or population may or may not affect each other. If they affect by the influence may be beneficial or adverse. तो कंपटीशन यानी अगर दो एनिमल है सिमिलर ग्रुप के स्पेसिस के, तो उनमें क्या होगा, कंपटीशन रहेगा फॉर द फूड, शेल्टर और द hunger. The competition occur when organism in the same community seek the same limiting resource. The resource may be prey, water, light, nutrient, nest or cover the mate or cover mates or the mates. This competition does not occur if these requirements are adequate or more than sufficient. But if these requirements are insufficient or inadequate to satisfy the need of organism, competition occur among the individual. During this competition, weakest least adapt to least aggressive individual are forced to these activities such as fighting with other individual to get requirement without going anywhere in other habit, otherwise they could become locally extinct. This phenomenon is known as the competitive exclusion principle of the Hardin in 1960. The competition may result in the death. तो क्या होगा कि अगर एरिया में जो अगर फूड सफिशिएंट होगा तो कंपटीशन नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर फूड इनसफिशिएंट है या फिर प्रे या फिर वाटर या लाइट, न्यूट्रिएंट, नेस्ट, साइट्स ये अगर इनसफिशिएंट है तो दो सिमिलर स्पेसीज में क्या होगा, कंपटीशन होगा. और कंपटीशन होने के बाद जो वीक है वो क्या हो जाएगा, एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाएगा, ख़त्म हो जाएगा, और जो पावरफुल है वही क्या करेगा, सर्वाइव करेगा. दिस इज़ द सर्वाइवल ऑफ फिटस. सो दिस प्रिंसिपल इज स्टेटेड बाय हार्डिन इन 1960. And in this kind of competition may result in the death of the weakest one. Of some competition, but also the exclusion is from fighting or being deprived of food or the space के लिए भी competition होता है. So there are the types of competitions. There are two types of competition. First is the intraspecific association and the interspecific association. So what is mean by this intraspecific and interspecific? Now we'll see. So in intraspecific competitions include association of the similar species, means competition occurring for the food, for space, moisture, light and protection, competition between the sexes. So here intraspecific means the species are similar, means competition between two rabbit, two deer, okay, two human is the interspecific competition. Component of the intraspecific competition is the association. The intraspecific association is simply the accumulation of the individual of the same species. The most association are generally beneficial to the species and to the individual, but under extreme condition may sometimes prove to be harmful. The crowding and overcrowding of the individual result in the mutual disturbance and lower viability, increased mortality and decreased population, reduction of food availability, etc. In sex, the crowding of individual during the development lead to reduction in the mean body size, reduction of wing, and extreme case total loss of wing, body weight, pigmentation. Some cases the crowding accelerate the development. तो क्राउडिंग की वजह से जो इंसेक्ट की प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट होनी चाहिए वो होती नहीं है. Competition for the biological and the environment factor. The competition is densely dependent, meaning the more densely populate the ecosystem, the more competition will occur. The intraspecific competition also takes place by the interference, where they compete indirectly competition, the one individual or species create the monopoly or command over the available resource or make the habit unfavorable for the establishment of the other similar organisms who require the similar resource and requirements. The competition may be either temporary or the permanent, generally for the following biological environment factor. The competition for food. तो ये जो है वहाँ पे अगर दो स्पीसीज है या फिर टाइगर है एक ही जंगल में, तो जो एरिया है वो टाइगर का वो क्या रहता है, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रहता है. उस दूसरे एरिया के टाइगर उस एरिया में आ नहीं सकते. ओके. तो कंपटीशन फॉर फूड. When population increase, competition among individual of the species also increase. The increase continue to reach up to the maximum number of individual of the same species. The overproduction of the animals lead to competition for food among them. उनका नंबर इंक्रीज होता है तो फूड क्या होगा, फूड की जो नंबर है वो डिक्रीज होगा ड्यू टू सिमिलर रिक्वायरमेंट. द माइग्रेटिंग एनिमल इन सर्च ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड फूड में अपसेट द नेचुरल बैलेंस ऑफ न्यू कम्युनिटी इन विच दे इस्टेब्लिश. अगर उस पर अगर दूसरे एनिमल भी वहाँ पे माइग्रेट हो गए तो वो कॉम्पिटिशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्या हो जाएंगी, सीवियर हो जाएगी. ड्यूरिंग द एडवर्स कंडीशन द एनिमल में ईट द मेंबर ऑफ ओन स्पीसीज. तो वो अगर उनको प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिला तो वो खुद के स्पीसीज को भी खा सकते हैं. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द कैनाबलिज्म. द कैनाबलिज्म सी इन मोस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल. द स्पाइडर ऑल्सो शो द कैनाबलिज्म. द कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर स्पेस, मॉइस्चर, लाइट एंड प्रोडक्शन. So this result in the intraspecific competition. When the area is saturated with established individual and become more economic of energy, new individual, same species individual, they not allow entering the other new species के animal को वो enter नहीं करते. If too many plants or animal are present in limited area, there may be a struggle for space, moisture, light and protection in addition to the food. The result may the either the migration of certain animal or the death of some competition due to the struggle for the same requirement. Competition between sexes. In order to propagate the race, certain animals may travel a long distance in search of the opposite sex. They need to create living resource by competing with established animal for them. During their journey in other instance, the competition of several members of one sex for limited number of the opposite sex may lead to the dispersal or the possible extinction. The competition deal with the mating, parental care and family life. The association of the sexes may temporarily as in its form of hibernating assemblage. The association may extend beyond the mating activity well into the birth limit. In extreme cases, the male live parasite association with the female in many forms. The male is often carried and nourished by the female. In Cystoma hematobia, the female is carried permanently by the male in a special canal. In the case of the fish Photocarinus spiny shape, the male is drop and remain attached permanently of the head of the female. तो कंपटीशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए मेल क्या करते हैं, फीमेल के बॉडी को ही अटैच हो जाता है इन एनिमल में. कोर्टशिप इज ऑलमोस्ट यूनिवर्सल बट इज मोस्ट स्ट्राइकिंग अमंग सम फिशेज, फ्रॉग, birds and many mammals. Courtship in the scorpion, praying mantis and some spiders prevent eventually fatal to the male, and the female divorce the male at the end of the copulation. During courtship there is often keen competition and distress fight among the male. तो स्पाइडर क्या करती है कि मेल स्पाइडर क्या करता है कि फीमेल को पहले इंसेक्ट एज अ गिफ्ट देता है कि उसको वो खाए नहीं, लेकिन आफ्टर मीटिंग ऑफ द फीमेल इज हंग्री शी कैन ईट द मेल. Interspecific competition. The interspecific competition is a competition between individual of the different species, means between cat and dog, rabbit and deer, but the needs are the same. The competition depend on the extent of similarity or the overlap in requirements of different individuals and shortage of supply in the habitat. It may take place by interference or by the exploitation. The interference competition